Chemo home friends, back at it. Very thankful to everyone that comment on my channel, like my channel, hit the notification bell on my channel. Very thankful to you guys, man. If you mess with my videos, please comment and share to your folks. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm asking. Okay, we're gonna get into this Chase situation that's very, very viral online. Chase and Fidelity banks. What's going on, guys? Glitch. How it works. The consequences of what's going on. Let's get into this. How it works, guys. These guys go to Indeed. Basically, we all know what Indeed is. You can apply for a job online. It doesn't matter who hires you guys. Anyone can hire you. What they do is send their banking information to these people over like online, and basically it can be a work at home type situation. Anything that's going to bring a check to you. So now, once you have a check available in your name, now you can have what they call scammers doctor or doct your checks, replace it with different numbers, company names, and that's the initial way they get the checks in. So this glitch with both of these banks has been going on for a while. And I don't know if the banking industry knew about it, but a lot of people in the neighborhoods were talking about it weeks ago. And a lot of people was getting money from this situation weeks ago. But I'm not in that world. So I just sit my behind on this couch and I talk to you guys. So what happens is you go to the ATM, you put whatever digits you want to put in your name, and once you put the check in, it's going to get cleared. Once it gets cleared, that number you put on there, it can be $7,000, it can be $10,000, it can be $15,000, it can be $500. In some instances, it could be $500,000. People are getting away with a lot of money. So what happens is they are going to clear your check and you're going to be able to take that money out. What happens is a lot of people don't go inside the bank. They go from ATM to ATM to ATM to withdraw the money. That's what's going on. And the bank finds out later, and then that's what happened. Then the authorities might get involved because it depends on how much money that you receive. I'm not going to sit here and say the authorities are going to go after everyone. They're not going to, I'm just going to be honest. They're not going to go after someone that $500, $1,000, guys. But for the people that's $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, they are going to make an example out of you. It's not a bank glitch, guys. It's not a transfer. It's fraud. It's fraud. That's basically what it is. And it's traceable back to your accounts. You know what I'm saying? The only people that's not going to get in trouble are the middlemen. The people that's putting you on, hooking you up with the guy that's going to make the checks for you in your name. And that's the people that's going to get away. You're going to be screwed. The person that made the check, you might never see him again. The person that hooked you up with is called a middleman. You might never see them again. But the authorities are going to come after you. Because you're the dummy that gave them your social, you gave them your address, you gave them your name, you're the dummy. And it's a federal crime, up to 20 years. And it depends on how much money you retrieve out of our account. It can be more years. You know what I'm saying? And when you get out of prison, you're going to have to pay all this money back. So you just ruined your life for $50K, $40K, and another thing. You're not going to be able to have a bank account with any bank ever again. It's called blacklisting. Once you do fraud with one bank, no bank is ever going to trust you again. That's the consequences of doing this. Yes, it looks fun online. The people are making jokes about it. Credit cards in their mouth and throwing money in the sky. It looks great, guys. It looks wonderful. But what you have to understand is fraud. At the end of the day, it's still fraud. It's against the law. It's against the law. You're going to get arrested for it. People used to make jokes about PPP loan. Yes, a lot of people got away with it. But a lot of people didn't. A lot of people that did that PPP loan are sitting in prison right now. And they still don't have the money to pay it back. So if you're going to have someone wire money to your account, make bad checks on your behalf so you can get a few dollars, it doesn't make sense to do that. It's not worth it because you can work a full year and make the same amount of money or maybe more money than you would take out an ATM and not ruin your life. You just have to work for it and be honest. You know what I'm saying? But that's the way they do the bank fraud. I'm not telling you guys to go do what I said. I'm telling you how they do it. You know, and they, like I said, some people get away with it, some people don't. But Chase, Fidelity, that's the name of the banks that has the bank glitches. I heard they fixed it already. That's what they say. But a lot of people are still doing it. They don't care. And if you're still allowed to do it right now, I think they're just trying to catch you in something to hand you over to the authorities. But keep my home friends talking glitch, fraud, Chase, Fidelity, whatever. Yep.